1st 2026, I am at Nandana Palace, Kanakpura Road, and I have given them a task to do some formation activity. See, this is team number 1. Okay, good. They have done like this. Come on. This is team number 2. Okay, good. So this is team number 3. They are doing some type of action. Okay, what it is actually?
Shadow.
Oh, okay. So this is team number 4 and team number 5. Oh, team number 6. Wow, great. Wow, good. I wish you all the best. See, in life we have to do different type of actions, roles and all. This is just a message. We can do anything with ourselves, without any property. That's the message. Thank you. Bye-bye. In this activity, you have all done a good job. Yaar kay free is okay. Keep all the balloons there and through gestures. Do it again.
Yes.
Do it again. Yes. Okay. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೈಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು Namaste Nandana. In fact, it's a brand of Nandana Palace. Okay, so 8 times we are going to say Namaste Nandana along with these new models. Okay, this activity is done on July 1st, 2026. Okay, Namaste Nandana being the Namaste position. And of course, I know you all will smile also. Please smile also, because Namaste and smile goes together. So this is the respect to our customers. This is the respect to our Lord. This is the respect to our country. This is the respect to the people. Okay? I wish you all the best. Okay? Good. Namaste Nandana. Namaste Nandana. Together. 1, 2. Namaste.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೂರ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇನು